All right. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is gonna be a exciting series for the Lexus IS. So we're trying to do a full bolt-on Lexus IS250. Or in case if I never mentioned, this is IS250. It's not a 300 or 350. This is IS250. You guys know about the platform? They're pretty slow. Cars from the stocks pushing like 200 or 205-ish horsepower. So we're trying to make it full bolt-on to see what the car got. If it's gonna give me a number that's gonna satisfy me. I mean, obviously I got the car not for the performance. I just like the way it looks, and I always want to do something with cars. I like to work on cars, just like every other car enthusiast outside. We're about to go hit the dyno right now, so we're gonna see what the stock engine has. I'm guessing somewhere between high 160 to 170 horsepower, because I know that the factory said it's going to be 200 horsepower. I don't think it's going to push that much. It's always a little bit low when it comes to wheel horsepower, I guess. So I do have an attune from our racing, exhaust, some port intake manifolds, PPA headers, intake, of course. The car is going to be on E85, some high performance spark plugs and the ignition coils, transcooler, oil cooler. What was the last one? I forgot. It was I'm pretty sure it's a bigger radiator. So we're gonna see if this car, if I can get to like somewhere between 250 to 270 horsepower with all these mods. I might be put a supercharger just to have fun with it, because I never seen a IS250, like especially this 3IS or the third gen. I never seen a full bolt-on IS250. I always see a 200T, the turbo car, or I seen a 350 or a regular 300, but even they're not like full bolt-on. So I'm kind of curious, like what kind of performance this car would have put out with all these mods. I know it's gonna sound super dumb, but I don't think anyone has done this before. I searched it up on YouTube. I tried on forum, Reddit. I tried to look for everywhere to find the IS250 with the full bolt-on, but there's none out there. Maybe like the older generations, but then this is not older generation. This is a 2015, one of the third gens out there. And I've done a lot for this car, even though it's pretty slow. Sometimes it's not always about you being fast, you know. Sometimes people build cars because they like the way they look, like the cosmetic stuff. Yeah, so that's gonna be the plan for today, and then hopefully we can get a good number at the car. It is on 91 from gas, and then yep, we'll see you guys at the dyno.
So what are we doing today?
Alright, so we're here to hit the dyno today to see what the stock IS250 can do. We're about to make an episode that this is about to be a full bolt-on IS250, and depends on the result we're gonna get. We're gonna do a supercharger install, and then I'm hoping we're gonna get somewhere between 160 to 175-ish horsepower we can get. The car's a 91 pump gas, and fingers crossed, man.
Alright.
Yep. Let's go hit the dyno.
I wasn't expecting to hit this much. Like, yeah, it wasn't a lot, but still, like, I was surprising me.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, so the plan is then to supercharge it and then come back here and get it filled, you know.
Yeah, there you go. This is from 2014 with an intake. Alright, now I got your 201. Intake's not going to pick up like 10 horsepower.
So I have a question. So is this the one or the wheel?
That's the hub horsepower, yeah.
So it's wheel.
Close to it, yeah. So this makes sense. And like I said, if a Dyno Gen 1 makes 201, then this is maybe 3 or 4% higher. So
Right. So it probably make more than 85, I guess.
Probably what we have. Yeah. So, yeah, the engine's definitely going to raise.
Okay. Yep, so wasn't expecting that. Like I said, I was like saying, what, 210 or I was saying like 160 to 170, but then it came 210 on the stock power. That's crazy. Yeah. We just got the numbers right here, so we were expecting it was going to hit like 110 to 170, but the car actually hit 210 horsepower. That's crazy. Yep. Much, yeah, exactly. Let's get out.
as I was telling you guys, I thought this is gonna make like 200 and like not 200. I'm sorry. Honestly, I thought this is gonna hit like 150, 160ish, like around there, you know. But surprisingly, the car made 210 to the wheels, not for the crank, to the wheels. So that's amazing. Like I said, I was on 91 pump gas. So does that mean Lexus underrated their power as well, like the BMW? I'm kind of concerned right now. I'm super excited to see what the rest of the car mod's gonna do for this car. Heading back home, we're gonna put the ECU tune from our racing, the exhaust system and everything. Yeah, man, I'm super excited for this episode. Stay tuned, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one.